Hi, my dear friends. How are you? Today I'm showing you how to use model N9EV to diagnose an electric car. This car is BYD E2 model. Let's go. Please be aware of that. When unboxing, the logo needs to be on the top side. This way of unboxing is wrong. This is correct. This is the menu of the device. This is N9EV tablet. VCI, and several cables of the device. These blue cables are for Tesla cars. This is OBD2 16 adapter. We need to connect to the VCI using the cable. Firstly, using this red cable to connect to the OBD2 16 adapter. Make sure they are connected tightly. And the other side is connected to the VCI. Please also make sure that they are connected tightly. Now, we can go to the car. Let's go. Now, we need to power on the tablet. Now, we need to plug the OBD2 adapter into the vehicle's OBD2 port. The OBD2 port of a car is usually located under the steering wheel near the dashboard. When you hear a beep sound, it means that they are connected successfully. Now, we need to let the tablet connect to Wi-Fi. Click Settings. Click About. Click OS Settings. Click Network and Internet. Turn on Wi-Fi. Choose the network. Please make sure that the tablet is connected to Wi-Fi and also connected to the VCI. You can see there are two little green signs. That means that the tablet is connected to VCI and Wi-Fi successfully. Make sure the engine is on the start status. Now, we can diagnose the car. So, let's do it. As we can see that there are several functions: battery pack detection, diagnostic, and component test. Because this car is BYD E2, which is an EV model, we need to choose EV configuration, and general configuration is for gasoline cars. So for EV cars, you need to stay on this page. So let's click on the auto scan. The tablet has scanned BYD, which is this car's model. Click BYD. This is the model information that the tablet scanned. Model E2, correct. Years 2021, correct. Engine model, correct. Click OK. There are several functions. automatic scan, system selection, battery pack data, and commonly used special functions. Let's do the battery pack data first. Click Power Network. Click Battery Pack Data BPD. There are multiple choices of voltage here. You need to choose the right voltage according to the vehicle. You can find the car's voltage information on the name card, which is at the door side. The name card shows the voltage of this vehicle is 320 voltage. So let's click on 320 voltage. As we all know that the most important part for EV cars is battery, and battery is consisted of many battery cells. The tablet has automatically scanned the voltage of each battery cells. You can see the total voltage is 328 voltage, and the voltage difference is 0.003 voltage, which is okay. Please be aware of that. Also, you can see the maximum voltage and the minimum voltage and the correlated battery cell number. For SOC, it means status of charge. It shows 46% here. Let's see whether it's 46% on the dashboard. So it's correct. And SOH means status of health of the battery. So the battery health of the car is 93%. For probe temperature function, you can see the temperature of battery cells. For commonly used special functions, there are several special functions: EPB electronic brake, electronic steering matching, airbag matching, tire pressure matching, ABS automatic exhaust. So you can choose related functions according to your needs. For system selection, it has power network, ESC network, comfortable network. For power network, there are 9 functions. We have just did this battery pack data before. Let's quick browse these functions: Vehicle Control Unit VCU, Battery Management System BMS, Battery Pack Data, Onboard Charger, Gear Controller, Front Drive Motor Controller, Charging and Distribution 3-in-1, DC-DC Assembly, Electronics Intelligent Booster. For automatic scan, you can scan the whole vehicle to find trouble codes. You can see that the tablet is scanning the car automatically. You can see there are some different colors: green, gray, purple, orange, and white. Green represents normal, which means no trouble codes found. Gray represents no response. That means the system do not have response, or the car do not have the system. White color represents the system not scanned. Purple represents that the system contains multi-systems. Let's click it to see details. As you can see, there are 2 systems. Orange represents malfunction. That means trouble code have been found. So you can see here, the total number of DTC, which is diagnostic trouble codes, is 4. We can click into the orange system to see details. you can see that the number of DTC is 1, which means there are 1 trouble code. Click Diagnose. You can read ECU information, read DTC, clear DTC, read live data, do execution tests, do special function. Let's do read DTC. This one is the trouble code information. Click DTC list. You can see the information of all trouble codes. Also, you can clear all trouble codes by this button. This button is for DTC report. You can save the report and read it in other place. For the report file location, click Report. Click Report. You can see the reports here. You can read the details of the report. Report file can be shared by clicking Share button. Input the recipient's email address. Then you can send a report. The report file can be also printed by clicking Print PDF Report. Add to a printer and you can print it. You can also do component test. It has component test, compressor detection, DC-DC detection, OBC detection. If the auto scan function cannot scan the car information, then we need to select the car model manually. Click Diagnostic function. Click EV. Select the car brand. There are Europe cars, Asia cars, America cars, China cars. This page lists all the cars. You can also click region to select cars. BYD is here, and there are also many China cars. Click BYD. Click Manual Selection. Click Electric Vehicle because this car is EV. Click E2 General. So the manual selection car model is done. If you just want to do the battery pack detection, you can just click on this green function. And also please pay attention to this Updates button. There will be update software version from time to time. For language setting, click Settings. Then you can see the language. We support English and Arabic in Middle East. If you switch to another language, make sure to update the system. When using a tablet, if you encounter unresponsive or lagging touchscreen issues, it may be due to the protective film. You can try removing the protective film to improve touchscreen sensitivity. Thanks for watching.